Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue cookies at home. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large egg whites, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ensure your egg whites are at room temperature for the best volume. This simple list of ingredients is all you need to create these delicate, sweet treats right in your own kitchen. Let's get started on whipping up some magic. Now, let's create that perfect meringue. Begin by ensuring your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and free of any grease, as this can prevent the egg whites from whipping properly. Start whipping the egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy and soft peaks just begin to form. Then, slowly add the granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Increase the speed to high and whip until the meringue is glossy and holds stiff peaks. With your meringue ready, it's time to shape your cookies. Carefully transfer the stiff, glossy meringue into a piping bag fitted with your desired tip. Pipe small, uniform cookies onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each one. Bake these delicate treats in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. After baking, turn off the oven and let the cookies cool completely inside to prevent cracking. Once your meringue cookies are completely cooled, it's important to store them correctly to maintain their crispness. Place them in an airtight container at room temperature, away from any humidity, which can make them sticky. They can last for several days this way, perfect for enjoying over time or sharing with friends. And hey, while you're here, make sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade meringue cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.